Hello beauties, welcome once again to my channel. Today I have a hair video. Can you believe that? A hair video. I got this hair from Aliexpress and I've already worn it once or twice already. It came in this beautiful, it says 100% human hair. And being a person like me that I really don't know how to style hair that much because I always wear curly wigs, which you don't have to do a lot. This is kind of different for me, and I would like to have tips on how you can style them. This is a closure. I think it's a 4x4 closure. I didn't want to get the front out because honestly I don't know how to do that. I bought one once and honestly I could not style it, so I think I have to watch more videos to see what I can do. It came with this. I guess you can sew this on the wig so you can be able to secure your wigs without using glue. And it came with this as a gift as well. So that's incredible. So if you want to see how it looks on my head, then just stay put. To be honest with you, I've worn this once already and I haven't done anything to the wig. I don't know what to do. And I have a really small forehead. So this is how it looks straight out of the package. And for me, I'll wear it like this. But I would like to know how you do that baby hair type of thing in front of it. I think it's beautiful. And you don't really have to do much at all. Nothing. This is how it comes straight out of the package. I noticed it has a little bit of flyaway, so I just used the Got2b spray and sprayed it on, and now it's sitting pretty well. So what are your thoughts? Tell me in the comment section below, would you rock this? It's so easy, it's so nice, so easy. It's not that long, but I think I'm gonna be experimenting with wigs because I got a lot of compliments with this. Everybody said it was different for me because normally see me with the curly afro and my Ankara scarf. I'm always, that's my go-to, but I still like this. And for the fact that I don't have to do much, it's amazing. It's so easy. Just put it on and go. I actually did not secure anything, but the wig is pretty snug on my head. I don't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. But if you want to feel extra secured, there is a comb in the back and 2 combs in the front. And I forgot to say the wig came with 2 wig caps. Isn't this a pretty wig? And this wig only cost me, I think it was about $50. I'll link the seller in the description bar below if I can still find it. I mean, for 50 bucks, I think it is still. I'm going to straighten this off camera to see if it makes any difference. But being the kind of person that I am, I would not do anything to this wig. I would just put it on and go. It's such a vibe. I'm really feeling myself right now. I straightened the front, this part and this part. I didn't do anything to the back. Does it make any difference? So this is all I have for today. Thank you so much for stopping by and see you in my next video.